My hypothesis is that the person is going to manhandle the chicken in some way. They have to squeeze it or like bend it in some way. There's no way they can just hold it and then set it down. They gotta do something to it. They gotta squeeze it. Yeah, they gotta choke the chicken. Do I like having my brown star tongued? No. But that's my theory. Oh, Gazort, you can give the person positive feedback for the chicken. Because I am so pleased with it. It is so perfect. Can you put a mirror in front of you to reflect some of the light? Interesting idea. But I don't have a small hand mirror, unfortunately. So, oh my gosh, I love the legs. Oh, I love looking bunghole. Bleach the brown star. Bleach the brown. So it becomes a white star. A white dwarf. Yeah. Say that the chicken was everything it was just as expected and more. Or even better than expected. Amazing and perfect and floppy in every way. This conversation, I don't know, yes. It seems to brown stars seem to be a common theme in every room that I'm in. We end up talking about butts and poops and farts and all that. You have news? I hope it's not bad news. We can talk now, Gazort. Oh, potentially good news. Tell me. The butthole looks like the tied up part of a balloon. The common link between these rooms is me. I'm the weakest link. Goodbye. Anal is the new chic thing to do. I come back and you have a chicken. And what the fudge are you doing to it? I don't put my dick in the bunghole. That's gross. You got it. Yeah, I'm the weakest link. Hey, mountain man, what's up? Are you in the mountains? What mountain are you on? I probably asked you that before and I forgot. Are you on? You're the on the White Mountains. Okay. Oops, I forgot to close this. Oh, okay. So, what?